Most of the work you do in Excel involves cells and ranges. Understanding how best to manipulate cells and ranges will save you time and effort. This chapter discusses a variety of techniques that you can use to help increase your efficiency. Dealing with cell and range addresses can sometimes be confusing. Fortunately, Excel allows you to assign descriptive names to cells and ranges. Let's select the entire data for the sales of all the chocolates in the month of January. Select the first cell, scroll down, hold down the Shift key and select the last cell. To give it a name, click on the name box and write sales _ January. You should be aware of some important rules about what is acceptable as a range name. Names can't contain any spaces. You can use any combination of numbers and letters, but the range name must begin with a letter. Also, in symbols, only underscores and dots are allowed. Hence, we have used an underscore instead of a space in this range name. Now, press Enter. Click anywhere in the worksheet. Name box contains a drop-down menu. The name box drop-down menu contains the list of all the created range names in this worksheet. Let's click on this range name. When you click on it, the range is selected. It is not necessary that your data should always be continuous in order to create a range name. Let's select the sales of the chocolates made by Mars. Press Ctrl and select all the sales of the chocolate made by Mars. Click on the name box and type in Mars _ sales. Press Enter. Click anywhere on the sheet to deselect. Try selecting Mars sales from the name box drop-down menu, and the sales of all the chocolates made by Mars is selected. You may have a worksheet that contains text that you want to use for names for adjacent cells or ranges. For example, you may want to use the text in row 9 to create names for the corresponding values in the other rows. Excel makes this task easy to do. To create names by using adjacent text, start by selecting these range of cells. Click on the Formula tab. In the Define Name group, select Create from Selection. Excel displays the Create Names from Selection dialog box. The check marks in this dialog box are based on Excel's analysis of the selected range. As it has prompted the right selection, let's click on OK, and Excel creates the names. In the name box drop-down menu, we can see that Excel has created the names for us. This concludes our tutorial on creating range names.